Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools and innovations to improve your home. Today, we're talking about the best grab bar anchors available on the market, the HEALTHCRAFT Easy Mount Hollow Wall Anchor. If you're looking for a game changer in bathroom safety installations, especially in spaces without access to wall studs, you're going to want to stick around for the next few minutes. Let's start with why this product stands out. The Easy Mount Anchor by HEALTHCRAFT is purpose-built to securely mount grab bars on surfaces like drywall, tile, and fiberglass, all without the need for a stud. This kind of flexibility is a huge deal for homeowners, renters, or even facility managers who want reliable bathroom safety without ripping apart walls or hunting for wall studs behind ceramic tiles. The HEALTHCRAFT brand itself brings credibility right out of the box. It's a Canadian company, founded in 1994 by a team that included a medical retailer, an occupational therapist, and a design engineer. That background means their designs aren't just functional, they're clinically informed. This isn't just another hardware company. They understand the nuances of human mobility and bring that knowledge into every product. Their manufacturing facility is ISO certified and licensed as a medical device manufacturer. So when they say, "Quality you can trust," it's not just a slogan. Now let's talk installation. The Easy Mount system uses a 9-hole flange setup, which makes alignment and anchoring incredibly simple and solid. You get flange covers that snap on to conceal the screws, giving the finished installation a clean, modern look. The mounting versatility is also worth highlighting. These bars can be installed vertically, horizontally, or at an angle, depending on your needs. Whether you're supporting someone who's sitting down or pulling themselves up, the bar is there exactly where you need it. But here's the real selling point. This anchor allows grab bar installation literally anywhere. Think about that for a moment. You're no longer bound by where the studs happen to be. Want to put a grab bar exactly next to the toilet for better accessibility? Go for it. Need one inside a fiberglass shower stall? Done. These anchors make it all possible without compromising safety or security. They're compatible exclusively with HEALTHCRAFT's Plus series and Easy Mount grab bars. So if you're already using those, these anchors are a seamless upgrade. As for materials, everything is crafted from stainless steel with a brushed finish, ensuring durability and corrosion resistance, crucial when you're installing in a wet environment like a bathroom. Let's not forget the support. Should you run into any issues, HEALTHCRAFT backs their product with dedicated customer service straight from their Canadian headquarters. They even offer a toll-free number and email for easy support and warranty help. That level of post-purchase care adds even more confidence to your buying decision. In summary, the HEALTHCRAFT Easy Mount Hollow Wall Anchor isn't just a product, it's a solution. It's designed for real-world accessibility needs, with safety, style, and ease of installation all rolled into one. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth breakdowns of the top tools and home innovations. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. We'd love to hear if you've tried this or any other HEALTHCRAFT products. Thanks for watching. See you in the next review.